welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I just put a fantastic air fryer recipe on my other channel, Air Fryer Recipes 101. And I love it so much, and it's so easy, and it comes out so delicious that I wanted to also put it on this channel for you, because The Baking Diva is my main channel, and the Air Fryer Recipes 101 is my second channel. I haven't been able to pay tons of attention to my air fryer channel, but I'm trying to get more into it, and the recipes I do have on it are really easy and good. So if you haven't already subscribed to that one, head on over and subscribe. And I think if you like an air fryer, you're gonna love these. And if you're new here, I wanna welcome you. Today I'm making for you something that really couldn't be any easier. In fact, it's really geared towards college kids, teens, adults also, but that's how easy it is to make. If you learn how to operate an air fryer, you can make this. And it's a great appetizer. You can use it as a main meal with maybe a salad on the side. And I love it. So I'm calling it Pepperoni Pizza Air Fried Rolls. They're not a roll, but they're roll-ups. That's it. Pepperoni Pizza Air Fryer Roll Ups. I don't know. I made the name up, but it sounds good. So, what do you say we get started? Let's get started. Now, what you're going to need is, you're going to need mini. They have to be the mini ones, the little itty bitty pepperonis. They come in a bag like this. You're going to need mozzarella sticks. And you're going to need pizza dough. You can't use biscuits for this recipe. You have to use pizza dough. It has to be a yeast-based dough. And I know this comes frozen. In my store, I was able to get it in the refrigeration department, so it's already thawed out. But if you buy the pizza dough frozen, you have to let it thaw for a few hours before you use it, okay? So, I have my air fryer here. Use any air fryer you have. I happen to be using my Ninja, which I love, but then I do have 3 air fryers. I know, don't judge. So anyway, the first thing you're gonna do is take your mozzarella sticks and cut them in half. Now I'm working solo, so I'll try to zoom in a little bit here to show you, but you want each one to be cut in half. Now I actually made a batch of these last night. Oh my goodness, they were so good. So I wanted to save some of these to show you today how I'm making them. So we're cutting our mozzarella sticks in half. I'm trying to remember, last night I made, I think it was maybe about 12 of them, I'm not sure. Okay, now you have your little mini pepperonis. So I'm gonna open this up. And just put them down here. I'll move these over on my cutting board. These are so tiny. Look at them, I can't even pick them up. They're smaller than a dime. And then we have our soft pizza dough. So let me open this up. Now you're going to need spray to spray the inside of your air fryer. I happen to be just using a canola oil spray. You can use any oil spray you want. Let me try to get this out of here. Okay, so here's your pizza dough, all defrosted. All right, now what we want to do is, we want to pinch off little pieces of our pizza dough, just like this, and roll them. I have clean hands, make sure you wash your hands. Roll them into a ball. So I'm doing that. There you go. So I'm going to make my balls. I'm going to put the balls down on my cutting board. So I hope you're all doing well. The Baking Diva is my main channel. And I love my air fryer so much that I started an air fryer channel a while ago for both those that were beginners and just learning how to use an air fryer, and also for those that are already experts with their air fryer. So I'm trying to make a little bit of everything, but I'm trying to make things that are easy. And this recipe, that's what I say, if you have college age students or kids that are away at college, or you have teens, they can make this recipe. That's how easy it is. And plus, they love it. Anything that tastes like pizza, they're all in, right? So I'm making these. I'm making them a decent size. You can make them a little smaller if you want. There's no set size to make these balls, but there we go. They're a little on the large size, but that's okay. I just want to basically show you how to make these. I think when I made them last night, I think we used 4, 8, 9. I got about 14 of these out of the package of the pizza dough. All right, this is a little big. I think I'll make that a little smaller. All right, so let me just put these little balls here, these pizza balls, aside. All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to take our rolling pin. I'm going to move these over because I want you to be able to see. All right, so I have my rolling pin here. So what you want to do is you want to just flatten your pizza dough ball and just roll it with your rolling pin. Just like that. Very easy. You want to just flatten it out. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take the half of our mozzarella stick and put it right in the center, just like that. And then we're going to take a few of these pepperoni slices and line them up on each side of the mozzarella stick. I mean, it could not be any easier, just like that. I'll take a little picture to show you. Okay, then you're going to take your one side of the dough and stretch it just like this over the mozzarella cheese, and then you'll take the other side and you'll stretch that over, and then you'll sort of pinch the edges so it stays together, just like that. So the basket of my air fryer, and I'm going to spray the inside of it with a little non-stick spray. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each one of these little pizza roll-ups and I'm going to put them seam side down in the basket. And let me move this over a little bit. Try not to have them touch one another because they will expand. Alrighty. Just place them in there. You won't believe how golden brown these come out, and so delicious. I'll take a picture of the inside of the basket when I'm done. It's a beautiful day here in New Jersey. We've had so much rain this year, an unbelievable amount of rain, so I'm just so happy we've had a lot of sunshine. Feels so nice to have the sun shining. All right, here we go. That one in there. Now, after I get these all in there, I beat up a small, egg, and I have my little basting brush here. I'm going to brush the top of them with a little egg wash. That will let them get nice and brown. Okay, so they're all in here. I'll take a picture inside the basket for you, or I'll hold up the basket for you. Hopefully you can see. All right, so now I'm going to Put a little egg wash on the top of each one. Just brush it on there. Maybe I can stand up and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. There you go. If not, I will put a picture in for you. This just helps them to get nice and golden brown. Now, you can just put the egg wash on top, or if you like, you can also sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on the top of these. So I'm going to just do some of them with a little bit of my grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, and if you want, you can also put some Italian seasoning or maybe a little oregano. So I'm just going to do half and half here. Okay. All right, so that was pretty easy, right? Let me hold this up. Hopefully you can see it. All right, now I'm going to put the basket in my air fryer. Make sure these don't move and touch one another. And I'm going to put my air fryer on 350 degrees, 7 minutes. I will check it at the 7-minute point to see if they're nice and golden brown and the cheese is melted. 7 minutes works perfect in my air fryer. You can check yours at 7 minutes, and if you think you need to let it go longer, let it go for another minute or two. So let me turn this on. They're going to start baking, and I'll be back shortly to show you what they look like and to do a taste testing, so don't go away. Okay, I'm back. The air fryer just went off at 7 minutes. Oh my goodness. I'm sure you can't see these, but I'm going to take a picture and I'll insert it for you. They are golden brown and they look delicious. Okay, so they're very hot and the cheese is melted and oozy. So I'm going to remove them from the air fryer. Now, you can just eat these as is, or I have a little bowl here, a little dish with some marinara sauce. So I'm going to take them out. Look at these babies. Oh my goodness. Do they look yummy? Ooh, look at that cheese. So yummy looking. Oh my goodness. Woo! All right. They are so good. I'll put this aside. And I think I'll take this one here with the cheese oozing out. These here for now. I'm going to give it a little cut in half. And I'm sure it's too hot to eat at this point because they are hot when they come out of that air fryer. Yep. Woo! Whoa! Ooh, look at that. It's all melted cheese in there with the little pepperonis. Oh, the dough is so nice and brown. Give this one a taste testing. Oh, look, a little cheese oozes out of that. Very hot. They are delicious. Really delicious. And what did it take? A few minutes to assemble them, 7 minutes to cook them, and that's it. Oh, I'm going to dip this one in a little of my marinara sauce. And I'll put some stills in for you. I don't think anybody is going to not enjoy these. If you have, go to the pizza restaurants and you order garlic knots, they taste a lot like the garlic knot, but they have more cheese in them and pepperoni. And I like them with a little bit of that Parmesan cheese on the top. So, delicious. I give it 3 thumbs up. So, you have to make these. Don't watch me make them. You have to make them. And then come on back and tell me what you thought, because I don't know. I think everyone's going to love these. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please feel free to ring that little bell. And you'll just get a notification next time I have a video up. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, love you, and I hope to see you again very soon. Now, I'm going to take another bite of this delicious, pepperoni pizza roll-up. Mmm.